In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get this pretty and pink makeup look. Hey, what's up and welcome to my channel. My name is Padee and I'm so happy you're here. Let's get started. I love applying primer before foundation, and today I'm applying the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Primer to create a blurring and hydrated base for my foundation. Primer also helps your makeup stay on longer, so this is a step that I never skip when I need my makeup to stay on all day. I'll be using my Sigma Beauty 3D HD Max Kabuki brush and my Sonia Kashuk blending sponge to apply my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Hydrating Longwear foundation in the shade 260. This foundation is lightweight and hydrating with a buildable coverage. I'll be applying 2 layers to achieve my desired full coverage look. 1 layer is perfect for an everyday medium coverage look, but today we're going full glam pink-tastic. To cover my dark circles under my eyes and discoloration around my face, I'll be applying the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Vanilla, using my Sonia Kashuk blending sponge to blend it in. I absolutely love how hydrating and full coverage this concealer is. Now I'll be applying my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in the shade Banana Bread to bake under my eyes and set my foundation and concealer in place. I'll be using my Sigma Beauty F25 Tapered blending brush to lightly dust the powder all over my face. It's time to add some color to my face, and I've been loving the Kylie Cosmetics Holiday Face Palette. Unfortunately, this palette is sold out, but each shade is sold separately, so if you like what you see, you can still get these shades in full sizes. I'll be using my Sigma Beauty F23 Soft Angled Contour Brush to apply the bronzer shade Toasty to chisel out my cheekbones, jawline, neck, and forehead. Then to snatch my nose, I'll be using my Sigma Beauty P88 Precision Flat Angled Brush. I love how detailed I can apply my nose contour with this brush. To further define my face and cut my cheekbones, I'll be applying my Banana Bread powder using my blending sponge just like so. I also like to define my nose contour, so I'll be applying the powder to the sides of my nose as well. Now I'm applying the blush shade Baddie on the Block with my Sigma Beauty F10 Powder Blush Brush. It's the perfect pink for this pretty and pink look. Great for those with fair to medium skin tones. It's time to get my glow on, and I'm mixing the 2 highlight shades Ice Me Out and Cheers Darling and applying them to my cheekbones, brow bone, forehead, nose, Cupid's bow, and chin using my Sigma Beauty F42 Strobing Fan brush. Next, I'm spritzing my MAC Fix Plus all over my face to set my makeup, and this step really pulls the look together. Give this video a thumbs up if you love glowing, hydrated skin. Hashtag Anastasia Brows in 3210. Now it's time for lips, and I'll be applying my Sigma Beauty Liquid Lipstick in the shade New Mod. I love this beautiful pink nude shade. It's one of my current favorite go-to lips. Time to move on to my eyes, and I'm using my Kylie Cosmetics Holiday Eyeshadow Palette. This is such a beautiful pink palette, but it's sold out. However, you can create this look with similar colors from other palettes. So first, I'm going to apply the light brownish pink shade Rosé into my crease using my Sigma Beauty E35 Tapered blending brush in windshield wiper motions. Next, I'm going to apply the soft pink shade Forever Young just under the shade Rosé using the same brush. Like this video if you understood that reference. Blinks forever! Now mixing the shades Check ID, a pink purple mauve, and Candy Heart, a hot pink. I'm going to apply them using the same brush and blending the shades up into my crease. So I'm going to place the shade closer to my lash line initially, then start to blend upwards towards my crease. Take your time blending to avoid harsh lines. Now I'm going to apply the same shades to my lower lash line using my Sigma Beauty E20 short shader brush. I love me a bright inner corner highlight, and this frosty shade, Jack Frost, is perfect for this look. I'll be applying it to my inner tear ducts using my Sigma Beauty E30 pencil brush. Now it's time to apply winged liner, and I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner. First, I'm starting by applying the wing and then filling in the rest of my liner. Next, I'll be applying my NARS Climax Mascara to my upper and lower lashes. Hello, itty bitty Asian lashes. I can see you now. It wouldn't be full glam without glam lashes, so I'll be applying my Lily lashes in the style Mykonos using my House of Lashes lash adhesive. To blend my false lashes with my real lashes, I'm curling my lashes with my Reveal Beauty Mini Lash Curler. Lastly, I'm going to brighten my eyes by applying my Rimmel London Scandal Eyes Kohl Kajal Nude Liner to my lower waterline. And that completes this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a like if you enjoyed this pretty in pink makeup look. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon to be receiving notifications every time I post a new video. If you have any questions or video requests, leave them in the comment section below. Please follow me on my other socials, and I will see you in my next video. As always, have a beautiful, Padee-ful day. Bye!